Hi, today I want to share a solution that I came across um, but couldn't find it on the internet. So maybe this can help you. This is an owl light. This I bought it from IKEA, and it's a nice warm white light that the kids love. It was a year old when the original supply stopped working. So nice thing, it has openable bottom. Actually, when we bought it, we had to assemble this part and the bulb can be changed. But strangely, there is no other solution for getting a charger. So you have to just buy a whole new light, which is such a waste. So there is this neat solution I was able to make. So most of the power supplies that you get, so this is a 24-volt supply. I got it 1 amp. You have the standard DC pin, and that DC pin doesn't fit in here because exactly matching DC pin is inside this. So the solution that I have come up with is that this is a female DC pin, but it comes with screw on wiring. So two of them I bought, and you can see that this looks different because it has got a sleeve on, and this side I have taken off the sleeve. So on a closer look, does it focus? Yes. Alright, so if you can see, all I did was I took a sharp cutter and just went around, cutting it about 5 to 6 times. Then I was able to take out the plastic and then make it a bit neat by cutting off the edging. And now I find it fitting well. Here you can see that. Okay. Also you'll observe that these are in reverse directions. So there is a positive and a negative symbol on each of them. So from the positive of this, I need to go to the positive of the other one, so I had to flip it around. So you can see here this positive goes to this positive. So in between them I have just put a short piece of wire. So I found this electrical wire which was thick and hard enough, so you can see they are not flimsy. So I just measured about a centimeter and a half of that wire and screwed it on to both, half into this, half to the other one. It holds tight, and that's it. Now with the 24-volt supply on this, it works fine. So the whole thing is a little touchy on this. If I rotate it, at some places it doesn't work. That's strange. I don't know what is the problem. Possibly the quality or alignment isn't so good here, but all I need to do now is that I will fix this whole thing into some box or a case, or just hot glue fill it, so a tube, so that this becomes stable. Another way is that I can flip it over, put them both, so goes in and comes out, this goes here. But this works fine for me. Just casing it is required. Anyway, it's 24 volts, not harmful voltage. It will just give you a pinch if you do short it. That will be a danger to the supply, so I will get it covered. So that's from my, thank you.